Hello everyone, it's Angela here again. Good day from wherever you're watching me from. I hope you guys are good. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare tomato meat sauce for pasta. And I'm using chopped tomato, chopped canned tomato. And I'm using tomato puree, 2 kilos of grounded beef, chopped courgette, peeled courgette, green peel, green beans, baby carrot, yellow and orange bell pepper, stock cube, and salt. And I'm using curry powder and rosemary, 2 large white onion and red onion, also 2 peas, some garlic cloves, some hot pepper and ginger. And I'm using black pepper and sunflower oil. So now we're gonna start. Just going to add oil to my pan. I'm going to heat it up a little bit. Add the chopped ginger and garlic and onion. I slice some of the onion and some of the ginger and garlic, so I'm going to blend the rest. I'm going to fry it together for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to add my beef. One of the pack of the beef is still frozen, but yeah, it's going to melt in the pan. With the heat, it's going to melt. So I'm just going to cook this together with the onions. You can see my beef now. It's not completely cooked yet, but yeah, everything is going to cook together. Add the remaining onion that I sliced and the ginger and the garlic. I love cooking with a lot of onions. And I added the pepper and 2 stock cubes, the curry powder and the rosemary, just going to give it a good stir, mix it all together. Stir fry it a little bit. Now I added salt, I'm adding the tomato puree, pour in the tomato, mix it all together, and I'm going to add the courgette to it. The green peel, the carrots, the green beans. Just give it all a stir. I'm going to mix it all together. Add salt and the stock cube. I use 3 stock cube for this recipe. Don't forget I do the meat with 2 stock cube. Now I'm adding black pepper. For that black pepper aroma, you know, when you have children that are very selective, oh my god, when you cook once, you don't miss it, you keep adding it to it so that they don't say, oh mama, what is this now? It's different. Now I'm adding the bell pepper, the orange and the yellow bell pepper. Before they left for school, my kids, they warned me not to add broccoli to it, so I didn't put broccoli. I put the lid on, just cook it together for 20 minutes, thereabouts. You can see my pasta sauce is completely ready. It's cooked. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Like my page. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.